Super exciting news. If you are looking for a landscape installation and design type project here in Cape Coral, Florida, we are very excited to announce we are always trying to make things better in our company. We are now bringing someone up within the company to be our production manager to make sure it's an even more seamless and smooth process from you getting your estimate to accepting your estimate to breaking ground on that project, whether it be a $2,000 project or a $200,000 project, that it is a smooth transition and allowing you to have that great communication that we always stand behind, that we're always working to achieve better and better and better. Now we have built out the office to facilitate that even more. And today has been exciting, where we've really talked about the process of the handoff from the sales team to the production team to make sure that is smooth and it is seamless and there are no issues. We are looking at how we can bridge that and just make our company better for one reason: for you, the customer. So there are less questions, so there are less hiccups, so everyone gets better communication and better long-term services, right? For that design install project, it can be one of the most expensive outdoor projects you do. You can spend 5, 10, 50, 100, 150, 200,000. You could spend $500,000 depending on what your property is like on your outside renovation. And making sure that we have a way to streamline that, make that clear, make the communication strong, and to make sure we have removed all the holes in the bucket of opportunities to kind of have some kind of misstep on that project. So the whole time, you know who the contact is, you know who is there to make it right if there's an issue, because trust me, there's gonna be issues. And so we've shored that whole system up even more, and we're making that better and better year over year. And it's all for the amazing clients that we have. We wouldn't be anything without you guys. And so we're really, really excited to continue growing and making our company better just for you.